Hi, parents. Today is Teacher Appreciation Day. And while I may have been your child's teacher for the past year, or maybe even 5 years, you have been their teacher from the day they were born. You have done so much for your children to help them grow, and you deserve a little bit, you deserve a whole lot of appreciation today. So thank you. Thank you for sharing your children with me so that I can be their teacher. Thank you for teaching them so much, especially now during these trying times. Thank you for teaching them resilience and strength and love and nurture. You are doing so much for your children right now, and I appreciate all the work that you're putting in with me to help teach them. They are becoming wonderful little people, and I'm enjoying what I can do to be their teacher, but I couldn't do it without you. So thank you. Thank you as parents. Thank you as teachers. Thank you as caregivers to your children. You are amazing. Happy Teacher Appreciation Day.